again from Southern Couture, and today I wanted to show y'all a fun idea for using some of the new goodies that came in the third Women of the Bible devotional kit from DaySpring's. So you'll find a link in the description where you can grab your kit if you want to. Also, there's a link down there that will show you a YouTube video I did that just went up as well, with an unboxing with everything that's in it. And before I get started showing you this fun idea for using the stamps in the kit, I want to also remind you that if you purchase your kit or anything you want on DaySpring's site, you will get 25% off when you use this code FAITH25, and you get 25% off site-wide. So keep that in mind when you go to purchase your kit. If there's other goodies like Mother's Day gifts and cards that you want to stock up on, anything on their site, you'll get 25% off of it, and that ends on April 1st. So don't forget, you want to do that before it's too late with the code. So if you've been waiting to try out these Women of the Bible kits, now would be a great time to do that, or maybe grab one for a friend as well. So don't forget about that. I just wanted to remind you. But today I wanted to show you something really fun. So we have these cards that are free now in the monthly devotional kit from DaySpring, and these happen to be from the Encourage collection there. And what I wanted to do was take what would be just an ordinary piece of mail that someone would get, an ordinary envelope, and let's jazz it up a little bit. So this is something that I have done before with Christmas cards, and I thought it would be fun to do that now, because wouldn't it be so fun for someone that works in the post office to have a piece of mail catch their eye that has just like an encouraging phrase on it? What about, you know, whoever gets it? They're used to getting just plain ordinary bills and junk mail, but this is such a fun way to take what you get from the kit. This is free, and just send it along to someone else, and I love that. So I also love that the stamps in this month's kit, let me grab something so you can see the back of it or see them better. The stamps in this month's kit are so versatile. Like, this is a set you could pull out over and over in future journaling entries that don't even have to do with Women of the Bible. Like this little border type floral pattern here. I love how they did that. This God Provides could be used in a lot of ways. Even these little like types of frames, I call this a wreath. I love it. And all the florals are just beautiful touches that you could add to anything. So I thought, well, why not try something fun on the envelope? And that's what I wanted to show you guys. So you could make gift tags with these. You could do all sorts of fun things. So I would love to hear your ideas. If you have fun ideas or ways to use them, let me know below and share them with all of us. So I'm just pulling the back off of the stamps. These are the clear acrylic stamps. I do have a video showing you how to use them, just a very basic video I did recently. If you want to check that out, I'll have it down in the description below as well. But actually, one thing I want to do before I do stamps is, let me just put down a little bit of this washi to get some fun background types of color and pattern on here. This is washi that comes in the kit as well, with these gorgeous florals. And it almost, like I said in my unboxing, it looks like a little meadow. I mean, I just think it is the cutest little thing ever, with all of these little flower pattern on there. So super cute. So I've just put that down at the bottom, and then I'm using this blue stamp pad that came in the second Women of the Bible kit, which you could use, of course, any color that you wanted. And I'm going to start with this really cute flower border that I have. And I just press it down on the block really good. And let me get a scrap paper here so I can do like ink off if I need to. And so I'm just going to put that ink on there, and I think this is going to be so fun to try out and use it. Let me do one over here. So cute. And let me just ink again and make sure I've got every part of it done good. Okay. And then I think I'm going to place it like up here, maybe like this. And if you want it to really have that look like it's coming off of the page, I'm going to stick something down so that my stamp doesn't have to be like perfectly lined up on the envelope, if you know what I mean. And then just press good and firm on that. And then pop it up. How cute is that? So I just have to show it to you. Adorable. I love it. You can stamp on washi tape as well, but look how cute that is. And it looks like it's just coming off of the envelope. So fun. So these little extra embellishments are just a cute and fun way to let somebody know, hey, I am thinking about you, and that kind of thing. And I just love that. It really shows that you've taken the time to write a little handwritten note. And we're all about, you know, social media and texting and things like that. But I'm one of those paper and pen type girls. I like to still, you know, get a good note or write down a sweet note to someone, or, you know, even just using a planner, those types of things I like to do on paper. So I'm going to use this cute little one right here, and I'm going to put it up here. And then I can just, almost like it makes a little frame for your stamp. And then I can put my stamp right over the top of it. So cute. Okay, so confession here, I am kind of one of the worst people about cleaning stamps. It's not that I just, you know, don't have wipes or anything to do it. I don't know, I just don't take the time to do it. I don't know if that's lazy or what. I need to get better about that and just have a wipe on hand, because I never have one close so that I can wipe them off. But I just stamp them off really good and it works for me. I mean, they kind of look messy, but when you're in a hurry, sometimes it works, right? Tell me I'm not alone on that. Okay, so then on the back, I thought this little framed stamp would be so cute, because I always like to put a return address on it, just in case if it was to go to the wrong address, or I have the wrong address or something crazy, then I would know and get it back. I would hate for it to not get where it's supposed to. So I'm gonna put that on the back as a little place for me to write my address. Okay. I have someone in mind that I want to send this card to, so I'm excited to get this, and I hope they'll appreciate all the little touches. So now on the back, one thing that would be really fun to do is just close it off with a piece of washi once you've put the card in and everything. I'm going to leave it out for now. And then one other touch that I wanted to put, well, a couple more touches. This one that says God Provides is so pretty, and so I just think that would be even a sweet message, like I was talking about earlier, for someone that works at the post office to see it and come across it, and maybe it'll just be something that brightens their day that they really needed to hear at that moment. You just never know who you might be blessing or what they have been going through, and your little word of encouragement on there might make all the difference to them. So that's cute there, and I think I may leave it like that. I think I kind of want to put something right here, and I might do that with this bottom stamp. So I'm really not filling this out because I want it to be a surprise in case the person I'm mailing to sees it on here, and also because I don't want to give away people's addresses. So what I'm going to do is I want to put this little embellishment. I think I'm going to put it right up here above. It's going to look a little off center, but the reason I'm doing that is because I want to put it above where I'm going to write out their name and their address. And so that's why it kind of looks like that. But I like how that'll kind of bring emphasis to who it's going to. So we have God Provides. We have some little stamping, a little framed area. Whoop, got it on my nail. Some framed area to put my stamp. And then, of course, a little spot to put the return address. And while we're at it, why not? Let's go ahead and add some more washi like we did to the front, to the back of it, because that's super, super cute. I'm afraid that I'm going to need another roll of this washi tape because it is just so cute. Now, don't get me wrong, you get a lot of washi in there, but I'm telling you what, this is some really cute little flowers that I love. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is it. This is just a really fun way to make your stamps that come in your kit go a little farther, some further or more ideas for using them, and if you got the last month's kit, you got the ink pad as well. You have these adorable stamps. The card comes free in it, so why not just take a little time? You see, it only took me a few minutes. Add some washi, some embellishments with the stamping, and you have a sweet little envelope that's decorated to touch whoever it's going to, but also every eye and person that touches and holds this letter on its way there will also hopefully receive a blessing. So, you could even just put a few things that God provides. It's a word of encouragement. Pray over this, stick it in the mail, and there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just love showing you some fun ways to use the goodies that are in the kit in a different way, and to get a little extra something out of it. But check out again the unboxing video that I did showing you all the items that are in this third Women of the Bible kit if you haven't already. That link is down in the description below. And then, of course, don't forget your Faith 25 coupon code. All right, guys, I will see you again very soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.